I would like to introduce our one of our NCOs. Sergeant Malchiyanged was with our unit for about 2 years, but he was also in the Palauan National Guard. And like Ambassador said, it's humbling to know that soldiers from Palau, of course, they I understand enlist at a greater rate than almost any other state. And I know 7 have sacrificed their lives in the last decades against the Salafi threats, keeping their fellow man, their fellow Palauans safe and free. So it's an honor to serve with the likes of our soldiers here, and I'll turn the stage over.
It's just great to be back home. I left a lot of memories back home, so I got into land for the first time after 9 years. Feel all the emotions, happy, sad, excited, but it's great to be home. I joined the Army in 2008. I got deployed, came back. I joined the Guam Army National Guard. I've been there for 8 years. I got out, went to civilian world, didn't work out, so I jumped back to active duty, and here I am. Been in 520 for a year and 4 or 5 months. And, just happy to be here during this Pacific Pathway test.
Thank you. Would you like to make a statement? Nice. We have 3 Palauan soldiers here. Oh, hi. My name is Jessica Nicholas. I'm happy to be here. From here, I grew up here. I graduated from high school. Right. Yes. We're here to recruit more service ambassadors. It's been a great opportunity for all of us, I'm sure.
I'm Jacob Remoket, Staff Sergeant, United States Army. Actually, me and this guy, we grew up together. We're like neighbors. I'm from Sixia. It's like 5 houses down. It's his house. He went to Palau High School. I went to Palau Mission Academy. High school just right down the road. I graduated at 06, and then I went to Guam, and that's I heard about the Army and the opportunity, so I joined, and a couple years later, and I'm here, standing here, working, represent the uniform, and to help the fellow young Palauans that might see the opportunity that we can offer, and maybe they can join the team.
Maybe one day you can come back and be a senator as well.
No, you don't want to do that.